bacon. Oh, we are going to get into it. 3-ingredient bacon. It basically makes itself. I'm Elysabeth Alfano. Thanks for joining me. So I thought I'd make myself some bacon, and I'm making half of a lettuce, tomato, avocado, and bacon sandwich because it's kind of my pre-dinner snack. Okay, so how do we make bacon? So simple. This is tofu. Oh, how we love tofu. Tofu comes from soybeans, and soy is just wonderful, 9 essential amino acids. It's a complete protein. We love it. It's very healthy and good for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my tofu into really thin slices, just to show you how thin that is. You see? Now, you can do two things. You can make your slab of bacon like a slab of bacon, or you can make it into small chunks in case you want to have bacon bits or whatever you'd like. I'm putting it into a bowl that's rather flat on the bottom so that my bacon can really sit there, because I'm going to put some marinating sauce on it. I try to make these as even as I can. I've got my tofu all laid out. And right now I've got about 3.5, 4 slabs of bacon, pre-bacon. Okay, that was ingredient 1. Here's ingredient 2. Oh, Bragg's, we love you. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 tablespoon of Bragg's. And I'm just gonna really pour it over everything so that everything gets covered in Bragg's. And then same amount, a tablespoon of sesame oil. So for all of you who are saying like, oh my gosh, extruded oils, it's so bad for you. I'm making bacon. Yeah, okay. So now this I would let just sit. You can see the juices rolling around in there. I really want to cover all of my pre-bacon with Bragg's and sesame oil. And I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let it sit for about, basically, go and do a chore. And then once you have remembered that your chore is over and you have bacon waiting for you, you can go find your bacon. So it doesn't really matter. Sometimes I leave it sit for 2 hours. Sometimes I leave it sit for 15 minutes. But I'll take one of my bacon slabs and I'll lay it on tin foil. I'm gonna put it in my toaster oven. I want to direct everybody to my website, elysabethalfano.com. If you know someone who, rightfully so, is becoming very wary about eating meat due to the safety issues, and they just don't know how to start plant-based, go to elysabethalfano.com/recipes, and I have a Jumpstart Your Plant-Based Life 5-day plan. So all the recipes are there for you, all the snacks are there for you, all the helpful videos per day to get you through the day. And if you can get 5 days under your belt, sort of like Meghan Markle, who says that she's vegan during the week, if you can get 5 days under your belt, you're on a really great start. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this 300 into the toaster oven, and I'm gonna let it go for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, start setting up my sandwich. Now I will tell you, I of course added oil because it's bacon, but when I make my sandwich, I go really light on the vegan mayonnaise. So let's have a little bit of veganese. And I told you I'm making only half a sandwich. Whoa, see already that's a lot for me. Whoa. Okay. Spread my veganese. Ooh. I love avocado. Avocado, you might not know because it's so deceiving. Avocado has gobs of fiber. Did you know that? I've got my veganese and I've got my avocado. Of course, I have my lettuce all ready to rock. Great tomatoes that we got from the farmer's market, which I'm loving. So they're, not all tomatoes are made the same. There's tomatoes and then there are tomatoes. So these are tomatoes that you could just almost eat like a fruit. This bread that I use is Mestemacher, so it's German bread, but you can see it's all whole grains and it's got lots of fiber. And whenever I use this bread, I really, let me just tell you about the fiber in here, because you need fiber for a great diet. It's one slice has 24% of the fiber that you would need all day, and that's 6 grams of fiber. Look at my bacon. it tastes just like bacon. Okay, so I'm going to put, a couple little chips on here, but also basically my big slabs. And I'm going to put my lettuce on, bring that over here. Oh my word. Okay. There is my open face bacon, lettuce, avocado, and tomato sandwich. I just made a half because I don't want to overdo it because we're still going to have dinner. But, and I'm not going to bite into this because I need to take a picture for the website and because it'll just be a mess. But here you go, bacon, lettuce, and tomato avocado sandwich on whole grain, high fiber bread, a little bit of veganaise, a little bit of sesame oil, but otherwise I'm going to say bacon made out of tofu. It is very healthy for you. Thank you, Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. I love working with you. I love all that you do. This recipe is going to be on my website, ElysabethAlfano.com. And again, if you know anybody who needs to jumpstart their vegan life, just send them to my website, ElysabethAlfano.com /recipes. And there's that 5-day Kickstarter plan with all the recipes you need, all the videos, all the snacks, all the encouragement. Super easy. All the recipes are right there. So, okay, I gotta get to eating. I just can't keep talking. Bye, everybody. Have a great dinner.